Hey, we're back again. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to apply for jobs the right way in 2022. First thing you need to do, you need to make sure you have a good CV. Not those CVs which are overly designed like graphic CVs. Yes, some of them work, but most of the time you're gonna need to have a CV which is simple. Sometimes you just need to stand out a bit because in the CV world, like it's like a competition. People are competing there. So I have links in the description on the best templates you could use, and also my CV, the one that I'm using. I got that one from the guy called Clement, right? That guy who has a company called Algo Expert, the Google Tech guy. Yeah. I got mine from that guy. Oh, okay. And again, my CV is written in latex. So there is this thing called latex. I didn't know about it. In fact, I still don't know about it.
We do not care.
I know that it's right to document different, and that makes things easier for those softwares that scan your CV. So because your CV is not being read by a recruiter, it first go through some software out there which scans through and find the key points, and then that's where you get your response most of the time. First of all, I'm gonna say you must not use these platforms like Pinet. Please stay away from those things. See the list here, like platforms like Pinet, those recruitment IT Batman companies. You must not use those things, please. You're wasting your time. Yes, there are people who get jobs. I'm not sure. I don't have any person in mind who I know who has gotten a job using the platform, but you are wasting your time. You need to use good tools to find a good job. It's okay. Here's the first one that is good. So the first one is LinkedIn. The first one is always going to be LinkedIn. If you still don't have a LinkedIn profile by this time, I'm not sure which planet you live in. So what you first need to do is to go there and create a good profile. Make sure you fill in everything that is required. For instance, all the skills that you have, all the qualification. Even if you have a certificate, if you participated in something, put it there. Well, come on. So, okay, you need to have a good profile. And also, the important part is the heading. You need to make sure your heading is good. You need to have a good heading. A heading must include all the key points of the job that you want or you are doing. For instance, if you're a software developer, you should write software developer, maybe add something, or maybe software developer slash cloud slash UX UI designer slash something. The best way is to search on LinkedIn. You need to filter first. You need to filter everything based on your skills. You can't be a software engineer and you see engineering jobs out there. Come on. You need to filter your job search so that LinkedIn can only show you the things that you need. Yeah, and another way to find a job is to connect with people. People think LinkedIn is like Facebook or Twitter. No, there you dare to connect with people, make connections. That's how you find new things that you didn't know. It's not like if you connect with this person now you have to talk. No, we are connecting, and you might find that that person in the future will know someone that can be useful to you. So yeah, it's just connections. Just click at people there. It's not like you don't have to know the people. Come on. And the best way to apply to get jobs on LinkedIn, besides searching, is searching for recruiters. That one is quite deep because that one works well. So it's searching for recruiters. If you say, let's say you want a job at Amazon, just gonna use Amazon. Just search Amazon recruiters. You're gonna see a lot of people, and then you pick each recruiter. Maybe you check what is it that they specialize in. Some recruiters recruit for different fields, so you just check what they post. Most of them, they will post even a job opening there on their timeline. They will leave emails. They say, contact me if you are available. If you need this type of position, then contact the recruiter using an email. Go there, message the recruiter directly on LinkedIn. Most times you can't message people like recruiters on LinkedIn. You would need to have this premium account which LinkedIn offers, but you can subscribe for that for like 1 month. Another way of applying, the second one is in South Africa. Actually, there is this platform called Offerzen. I'm not sure if you guys know that platform, but there is a platform called Offerzen. That's the best ever system I've ever seen. So I'm not sure if on the United States or the other countries, they have something like that. But here we have this thing called Offerzen. I'm not sure if it works in other countries, but in South Africa it works well. So what it does is, this company, you go there, you make a profile, they give you like some simple simple coding solution. It's mostly for software engineers. I'm not sure if cloud people can join. I'm not sure, because I'm a software engineer, so that's what I use it for. So you go there, create a profile, they give you some assessment, like a test, coding test, and then after you pass that coding test, you are in heaven after that. Because what's gonna happen is they're gonna give you your personal assistant who's gonna help you. Even on WhatsApp, they can even have your number, get your number. You're gonna chat with this person. They're gonna help you with a lot of things, even how to get a job, how to do interviews, how to behave. Like, they're gonna help you with a lot of things. Né? So you get this person, and then what happened is they take your profile, your CV, they send it to all the companies, the big companies in the area, or even small, but the companies that paid to be in that platform, right? They're gonna give your profile to those companies by the same day that you are live, because your profile can be live for like a week. Yeah, they take your profile live for like a week, and they guarantee that you're gonna get interviews. What happened is they have saved you a lot of time, because now this company is gonna come to you, and also you even write there how much that you want be paid. So meaning everything's upfront. So if you want, just putting it out there, 50k. Let's say you want 50k. Let's say you want 50k. Don't take my advice like the way I'm doing it. Let's say you want 50k. Just put 50k out there, right? And then apply. And then the companies that see your profile, that you are a good candidate, and also they can put you under their budget. Then they will text you, right? Then they do everything from there. Then set up a Google link, whatever platform they use for interviews, and then boom, you have an interview. And if you pass that interview, you get extra things from Offerzen. I'm not sponsored. In fact, I wish I was. I'm not sponsored by that platform, but I highly recommend that platform. I recommend it more than even LinkedIn. LinkedIn, yes, it's the best, but hey, that platform will save you a lot of time. Within a week, you'll be doing like interviews back to back within a week. And then if you pass, and everything there is fast. Okay. The third way to get an interview, right? The best one, in fact, it's not the best one, but the second best, is to stalk companies more. Come on, you need to know companies. If you don't know companies with openings, go to LinkedIn, search whatever thing that you wanna search. See all those companies. Go to Google, search that company, and go under careers portal of that company. Then you're gonna see all these jobs that are there, and then you apply. Some companies, they will ask you to create a profile, to create like an account with their website. It's okay. My fourth point is using emails. The email one is the one that I started with when I was still a junior. Find an email, text that person, message that person using email. At first, I didn't know what to write until a friend of mine gave me some good written paragraph which I would use. So like I was just copying and pasting that paragraph and changing a few things every time I find an email of someone to apply to. Né? You can use Google to find these templates, but I will share maybe some in the description which you could use. LinkedIn. Oh, and another thing I forgot to mention, where you can find emails. On LinkedIn, you need to scroll the feed. Come on, use it like you're using Instagram. Instead of using Instagram or Facebook, just use LinkedIn. Go there. Yes, you're gonna see people flexing. Come on, and you're gonna see people flexing, and your ego will be crushed. Your confidence level will either drop or skyrocket. But then you're gonna see people flex a lot with the certificates. Hey, I just got this job. Don't mind those people. You're gonna be there one day. So just scroll, keep scrolling, man. You're gonna find someone posting maybe a job which you might like, and then usually they leave their email or the number, then message them. Yeah, things might go well like that. Okay, the fifth one, which is the best one, which is the fifth one, is referrals. This one is gonna depend on some certain aspects. Do you have friends who are really your friends? You just go to your friend straight and then tell them, hey man, I saw on a company website that there's this position. Can you please refer me to somehow can you please refer me so that I skip all this queue? Yeah, that could help. And there are those companies which prioritize referrals, like Amazon, Google, all the FAANG companies, they do that, even non-FAANG companies, where the employees, they have this platform where they can refer anyone. It doesn't have to be a friend, but they can refer anyone. So just go to those people and ask them for referrals. You can also use LinkedIn to find people. Say, hey man, I see you work on Amazon and I have there's this position that I would like. Can you please refer me? And then they can refer you, mostly because they get something out of it. Yeah? If you pass the interview, they get something. So mostly they will refer you. It doesn't have to be a friend. So just be nice. Just initialize a conversation. Get to know the person first. Don't just come and say, hey man, someone you don't know, and then you ask for the referral. Come on, it doesn't work like that. Yeah, okay. And in the future, yeah, you could be getting jobs, like you could be getting jobs left and right, even if you didn't apply for them, mostly on LinkedIn. Yeah, for me, these days, I don't even apply. I don't remember when was the last time I applied, except those FAANG companies, which, yeah, it works like that. Most of the time, the more experience that you get, the easier it becomes to get a job. But when you're just starting, you have to hustle and send. I advise people to send 5 CVs a day, 5 applications a day if you are still looking for a job. 5 applications a day is not that much, come on. You made the right choice choosing the tech industry, because we are booming right now. Like, jobs are all over the place. You should be getting jobs left and right and center if you are using the system that I've told you. And in the future, I'm going to talk about the skills which are on demand, which can even fasten your way of getting interviews. Right? See you.